Taking into account that around 70% of the Earth is covered in oceans, marine biology is evidently a vital discipline in the protection of life in the waters. Marine biology is the scientific study of oceanic organisms, or brackish, and aquatic bodies in the water. This also includes plants and the terrestrial environment, which has a direct impact on the seawaters. There are several disciplines in marine biology such as biological oceanography, physical oceanography, astronomy, chemistry, zoology, embryology, taxonomy, cellular biology, natural history, and geology, molecular biology, morphology, and meteorology. A new aspect of marine conservation has lately drawn new scientific disciplines such as biogeography, marine ecology, botany, anthropology, zoology, fisheries biology, genetics, economics, and law. This paper seeks to look at the principal aim of marine biology and discovering how aquatic organisms are controlled by ocean. Biology is concerned with various aspects of living in the waters, e.g., the way in which various organisms are adapted to the physical and chemical properties of oceanic water, the currents and movements of the ocean, the availability of light to various oceanic depths, and the solid surface of the seafloor. The marine is also a huge source of food supply, for example, fish and shrimps. The weather and climatic conditions are also affected by the ocean circulation, and a lot of income is generated through international commerce, tourism, and recreation. The dynamics of existence is also of essence in the study of marine biology. For instance, the oxygen cycle by coral reefs, the predator-prey relations in the food chains, population and distribution, overfishing, invasive and endangered species. Another aspect of interest is the effects of pollution to the life of organisms in the oceans, especially oil spillages caused by shipping, inorganic wastes, sewage effluents, fertilizers and pesticides runoff from terrestrial land sources, and silting owing to coastline construction activities. The marine is home to various aquatic beings. These include seabirds such as penguins and auks, various types of fish, invertebrates like the jellyfish, mammals such as whales and dolphins, reptiles such as sea snakes and sea turtles, marine fungi such as algae, plants like the mangrove, seagrass and seaweeds, and other microscopic organisms such as the zoo and phytoplankton. These organisms survive in different habitats in the ocean. There are two major categories of marine habitats, namely pelagic or coastal habitat and demersal or open ocean habitat. The pelagic habitats are those at the surface of the water, while demersal habitats are found deep in the sea. Marine organisms are consequently categorized depending on their habitats, that is, pelagic organisms and demersal organisms. Various technologies are used in marine biology to help in discovering the nature of survival and providence, and the importance of marine. The ocean is a vast and diverse ecosystem that is home to a wide array of organisms and geological features. Here are some of the things you can find inside the ocean. Coral reefs. These underwater structures are formed by colonies of tiny animals called coral polyps. Coral reefs are known for their vibrant colors and provide habitats for numerous species. They are often referred to as the rainforests of the sea. 3. Seagrass meadows. Seagrasses are flowering plants that grow in shallow coastal waters. They form dense underwater meadows that provide food and shelter for various marine organisms, including fish, crustaceans, and sea turtles. 4. Kelp forests. Kelp is a type of large brown algae that forms underwater forests in colder coastal waters. These forests provide a habitat for a diverse range of marine life, including fish, sea otters, and sea urchins. 5. Hydrothermal vents. These are deep-sea hot springs that release mineral-rich water into the ocean. They support unique ecosystems with organisms adapted to extreme conditions, such as tube worms, giant clams, and bacteria that can survive in high temperatures and high-pressure environments. 6. Deep sea trenches. These are the deepest parts of the ocean, often reaching depths of several kilometers. They are home to various species adapted to extreme pressure and darkness, including deep-sea fish, amphipods, and other deep-sea invertebrates. 7. Geological features. The ocean floor contains a variety of geological features, including underwater mountains, seamounts, underwater canyons, plateaus, and rift zones. These features are formed through tectonic activity and provide habitats for unique marine life. 8. Shipwrecks. Throughout history, many ships have sunk in the ocean, creating artificial reefs and habitats for marine organisms. These shipwrecks often become home to a diverse range of species, attracting divers and researchers. Now, don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell button for not to miss part 2 of the ocean documentary. Bye for now.